If you had 1.5 million dirhams to invest in Dubai real estate today, would you end up securing a high-performing asset or making the kind of mistake that drains your savings and keeps you stuck for years? This is the exact dilemma investors bring to me every single week. And with prices moving fast, the fear of missing out is just as real as the fear of overpaying. The truth is, this budget still opens doors to some of Dubai's most promising communities. If you know where to look, and in this video, I will break down 5 real projects where your money not only buys you a home, but also a hedge against the risks that keep investors awake at night. I'm Hira Nazir, your property investment advisor, giving you exclusive Dubai real estate insights that most investors never get to know. Let's get started. I know what you're thinking. Dubai is so expensive that with 1.5 million dirhams, you can't even get a decent apartment. That's funny because what I'm about to show you is a modern home within that very budget in one of the nicest family-friendly communities I've seen. This is Olbia by Nshama, located in Town Square, Dubai, right along Al Qudra Road. Typical driving times from Town Square are approximately 29 minutes to downtown, 30 to 35 minutes to Dubai International Airport, 25 minutes to Al Maktoum, and roughly 20 to 25 minutes to Dubai Hills Mall, depending on the traffic and the route that you choose. This ensures you're well connected to the city's main hubs. The developer of this project, Nshama, is the master developer behind Town Square Dubai, one of the city's largest self-sustained communities. To date, they've delivered more than 6,500 homes across 18 completed projects, with thousands more under construction, all within Town Square. Their portfolio includes popular residential projects like Varda, Hayat, Boulevard, and Rauda, which have consistently attracted strong rental demand and shown steady capital appreciation. So what sets Nshama apart for investors is their track record of on-time delivery, competitive entry prices, and master plan community execution. Nshama's projects focus on long-term value like strong rental yields, often 6 to 8% in Town Square, and sustainable community growth driven by retail, schools, and infrastructure already on the ground. With this proven history of delivering value to investors, Nshama is set to raise the bar once again with their new project called Olbia. So what does make Olbia stand out? This is the lifestyle. Town Square has a massive 50,000 square meter central park at its heart, and everything you'd expect from a master planned community is already here. Cafes, restaurants, boutique shops, swimming pools, gyms, jogging and cycling tracks, sports courts, children's play zones, even barbecue areas. That's important because one of the biggest fears investors have is buying into a project where you're left waiting years for infrastructure to materialize. With Olbia, you're walking into a community that already feels alive. In terms of homes, Olbia offers 1 to 3 bedroom apartments and 3 bedroom duplexes. Unit sizes typically start from roughly 580 to 640 square feet for 1 beds, and go up through 1,200 plus square feet for 2 beds. They also have 2,000 plus square feet for some duplexes. Now let's talk numbers. 1 bedroom units here start at around 955,000 dirhams, while 2 bedrooms average between 1.3 and 1.4 million. If you're targeting that 1.5 or planning to go a little bit up to 2 million, you can comfortably secure a large 2-bedroom apartment or even certain 3-bedroom layouts, depending on size and the floor level. One of the biggest attractions here is the payment plan. A simple 10% to secure your unit, which is the booking amount, 30% stretched during construction, and 60% pushed all the way to handover in Q2 of 2028. Giving investors more breathing room and less upfront exposure. From an investment perspective, Olbia checks several boxes. Gross rental yields for town square apartments are commonly reported in the 6 to 8% range, with one bedrooms often around 7% on average. slightly above the Dubai market average. But the real upside is in the capital appreciation because Olbia is still off plan. You're buying at today's entry price in a community that's still growing. Town Square has become one of Dubai's most in-demand family destinations. Expats with kids are flocking here for the parks, schools, and the lifestyle that make day-to-day living easy and vibrant. The sense of community living is a major draw, and with every handover, the area becomes more established and more valuable. This strong demand, paired with the fact that high-quality supply is limited compared to the number of families looking to live here, is what gives investors confidence that values will climb steadily as the project moves towards completion. So while many investors worry that 1.5 million dirhams can't get them much in Dubai, Olbia proves otherwise. With its central park, walkable amenities, and below market entry prices, this community offers both immediate rental demand and long-term appreciation potential. In other words, it's the kind of project that helps you avoid the classic traps of overpaying or being stuck with an illiquid asset, while still putting you on the right side of Dubai's growth story. Now, the next project I want to talk about is something truly special. Most people think the best returns in Dubai only come from established hotspots like downtown or Dubai Marina. But here's the insider truth. Some of the strongest growth over the next decade will come from Dubai South, home to Expo City and the upcoming Al Maktoum International, which is planned to reach a capacity of 260 million passengers annually, which would make it one of the world's largest by-passenger capacity once completed. And right in the middle of that growth story is Windsor House by Ellington, a project that puts you ahead of the curve. Located in the residential district of Dubai South, Windsor House enjoys excellent connectivity. Residents over here live roughly 10 to 15 minutes from Expo City, about 10 minutes from Al Maktoum International, and about 30 to 35 minutes into Business Bay and downtown. This strategic location means residents are close to two of Dubai's biggest infrastructure plays. Expo City, which is being transformed into a hub for innovation and business, and the airport expansion expected to handle 260 million passengers annually once complete. Add to that a growing network of schools, hospitals, supermarkets, and retail centers already opening in the district. And you can see why this area is becoming a magnet for both families and professionals. Now, a quick word on the developer. Ellington is one of Dubai's top boutique developers, known for its design-first philosophy and high-quality finishes. Since its founding in 2014, Ellington has delivered a portfolio of projects in key locations like downtown, Mohammed bin Rashid City, Jumeirah Village Circle, and Palm Jumeirah. Their developments such as DT1, Belgravia and Ellington Beach House have consistently won international design awards and attracted both end users and investors looking for long-term value. What sets Ellington apart is their focus on creating lifestyle-driven communities where design, functionality, and quality come together. A formula that has made its projects among the most resilient in the market. Now let's talk about the project itself. Ellington is a developer with a design-first philosophy, and Windsor House reflects that signature instantly. When you walk into an Ellington project, you know it. From the floor to the ceiling windows and generous balconies to smart layouts that maximize light and storage. Studios here start from about 432 square feet, one bedrooms average around 780 square feet, while two bedrooms around 1100 square feet, a few three bedrooms that reach up to 1500 square feet. The lifestyle amenities here go far beyond the basics. Picture stepping out of your apartment onto a 41,000 square feet landscaped deck where families are walking, kids are playing, and neighbors are gathering. Start your mornings with a yoga or a Pilates session in a purpose-built studio. Then cool off in a resort-style pool complete with a kids section. Fitness enthusiasts have fully equipped gyms, just an elevator ride away, while professionals can plug straight into stylish co-working lounges without leaving their home. Even your pets are taken care of. Outside leisure areas, cycling paths, and even a bike repair station, making it easy to stay active while the retail promenade lined up with cafes and boutique shops means your daily coffee run or dinner out is just downstairs. For residents, this level of convenience creates a true lifestyle community. And for investors, that translates directly into strong rental demand and even higher resale appeal. Price-wise, one-bedroom units here start from around 1.3 million dirhams. The payment structure is also investor-friendly, with most options offering a 70-30 split, about 20% upfront, then installments during construction, and 30% at handover in Q3 2028. This exposure reduces the upfront risk. From an investment perspective, the upside here is hard to ignore. Rental yields in Dubai South are estimated at around 6 to 7% annually, with potential for higher in particularly well-located or premium units. And with demand expected to spike as Expo City evolves and the airport expansion accelerates, those numbers are likely to rise. Capital appreciation is another major factor. Investors who got in early into Dubai South are already seeing strong growth, with several projects delivering double-digit gains since their launch. And Ellington's brand value adds another layer of resilience. So Windsor House isn't just another apartment block, it's a way to buy into Dubai's next growth corridor for today's prices. For 1.5 to 2 million dirhams, you're getting a modern design-led home in a district that's positioned to transform over the next decade, which means both steady rental income and the potential for significant long-term gains. Now, the third project I want to talk about is something truly exceptional. This new emerging hotspot is one of my favorite new locations in Dubai. You might believe that places in Dubai with great ROI are already overpriced. But what if you could buy into a high-quality project in a rapidly growing neighborhood, locking in strong value now before the full infrastructure catches up? That's Ashley Hills by TownX in Arjan, a chance to really get ahead. Ashley Hills is located in Arjan, Al Barsha South 3, one of Dubai's fastest rising neighborhoods. Over the past few years, Arjan has transformed into a hub of modern mid and high-rise residential buildings, attracting both investors and end users. Its location is particularly appealing for families with some of Dubai's top schools in nearby Al Barsha, and a growing number of nurseries, clinics, and community services within minutes. Connectivity is another key advantage. Entry and exit roads here are exceptionally smooth, with direct links to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Al Khail Road, giving residents quick access to Dubai's major hubs. Add to that the proximity and attractions like Dubai Miracle Garden, Butterfly Garden, and Dubai Hills Mall, and you have a lifestyle location that is both convenient today and prime for stronger demand in the future as infrastructure and amenities continue to expand. Now about the developer. TownX has delivered more than 1,200 residential units across Dubai in the past few years. And with a strong presence in communities like Jumeirah Village Circle and Arjan itself. Their portfolios include projects such as Luma 21 and Luma 22, both of which sold out quickly and attracted strong rental demand. What makes TownX stand out is their focus on timely delivery and offering investors value-driven entry points into highly growing neighborhoods. The project offers studios, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments. Studios are about 480 to 600 square feet, which is quite a large size for a studio. 1 bedrooms are 790 to 900 square feet. 2 bedrooms are 975 to 1350. Most units feature open plan designs, floor-to-ceiling windows, private balconies, and quality finishes. For investors, the rental market here is already proving its strength. Similar one-bedroom apartments in Arjan are currently leasing for around 95,000 to 100,000 dirhams per year. highlighting the income potential this community can deliver. As for price and structure, studios start from around 749,000 dirhams. One bedrooms were launched at about 1.3 million, though these are now all sold out. Two bedrooms are currently priced between 1.9 to 2 million. Payment plans include the option with 10% on booking, then 30% during construction, and 60% on handover. Handover is projected for Q3 of 2026, though some sources list early as 2027 in case of shifts. From an investment perspective, this is a compelling proposition. Yields in Arjan for well-located, well-amenitized apartments are often in the 6 to 7% range. In favorable smaller unit cases, they may approach 8 to 9%. Because Ashley Hills is off-plan, buying now can secure a lower price per square foot than what you'd see in completed or resale units. Infrastructure amenities and services in Arjan are already growing. Most schools, medical centers, retail and entertainment are under development, which should support rising tenant demand, rental income, and capital appreciation. For your budget of 1.5 to 2 million dirhams, Ashley Hills can get you a strong 2-bedroom unit depending on the floor, the view, and the layout. A 3-bedroom is possible, but likely only in the smaller premium 3-bedroom layouts and probably priced at or above 2.33 million dirhams. The key is if you're buying ahead of the area's full premium, balancing risk because the development is under construction with good upside potential in value and returns. Now I'd like to discuss a project which is by one of the most prominent private real estate developers in Dubai. Most people assume you'd need well above 2 million to enter here, but that's not entirely true. Inside Dubai Land Residential Complex, also known as DLRC, is Cove Grand by Imtiaz, a project that offers access to this exclusive location within an 1.5 to 2 million dirham budget. This location means you're minutes from Academic City, Dubai Science Park, and the IT innovation hubs, which are already drawing in thousands of expats and professionals. Global Village and Dubai Outlet Mall are about 10 to 15 minutes away. Downtown Dubai and Dubai Mall are roughly 20 to 25 minutes in good traffic. So even tucked into a quieter community, you remain strategically connected to major lifestyle and business hubs. Best of all, DLRC is set to benefit from the upcoming Blue Line Metro, the new metro line by RTA, which will connect key areas like Academic City, Dubai Silicon Oasis, and Mirdif, among others. Once the Blue Line is operational, which is expected in September 2029, it's widely expected that property values and foot traffic around stations will rise sharply. Some projections suggest that properties in precincts near new metro stations may enjoy a value uplift of 25 to 30% when the metro line opens up. And there's no doubt on delivery. Imtiaz Developments has delivered more than 2,000 residential units and 4 million square feet of built-up area across Dubai, with a track record of high-quality design-driven projects. Their portfolio spans both residential and commercial properties, with upcoming developments adding another 2,000 units to the pipeline. Imtiaz is known for timely handovers and modern amenity-rich communities that consistently attract both end users and investors. The apartments range from studios to 3 bedrooms with starting layout sizes like studios from 386 square feet, 1 bedrooms from 710 square feet, 2 bedrooms from approximately 1,284 square feet. Every home features smart home systems, high-quality kitchens, spacious balconies, and floor-to-ceiling windows. These finishes are above entry level, aimed at Dubai's renters and buyers who want both modern convenience and comfort, and at around 1,300 square feet for a 2-bedroom, this is an absolute steal, especially when you consider how quickly prices in DLRC are expected to spike in the coming months as more projects complete and the area matures. On pricing and structure, studios start from 740,000 dirhams, 1 bedrooms from around 1 to 2 million, with earlier 1 bedrooms now currently sold out and 2 bedrooms are currently unavailable. 3 bedrooms begin from 2.5 million dirhams. The developer offers flexible payment plans including a 50-50 plan which has 20% down payment and installments during construction, 50% at handover. Or they are also giving you a second option which is 70-30, which means 30% you pay post handover spread over 3 years. The handover is expected in the fourth quarter of 2027. From an investment viewpoint, the case is strong. Rents and yield potentials in DLRC are commonly in the 6 to 7% range for well-amenitized apartments, while premium, well-located units may achieve higher yield. Capital appreciation has been steady as infrastructure, retail, schools, amenities expand across Dubai land. Projects delivered even a few years ago have shown resale gains, and Cove Grand is well positioned to benefit from similar momentum. For your 1.5 to 2 million budget, you can comfortably secure a spacious 2-bedroom unit. If you're at the upper end, certainly 3-bedroom options may be within reach, especially for units with modest views or on lower floors. The important point is that you get into DLRC at a strong value ahead of the full premium that comes with maturity. When investors talk about Dubai's future-ready residential communities, Arjan consistently comes up as one of the most promising areas. It's an area defined by rapid growth, mid-rise and high-rise projects, and proximity to some of the city's most popular family attractions. Many assume that high-quality design-led projects here are priced well beyond 2 million dirhams, but in reality, Sierra by Iman developers open the door with entry prices starting at just around 1.3 million dirhams, making it a compelling opportunity within your target budget. Location-wise, Sierra sits in Arjan Al Barsha South 3, a district that has quickly evolved into a residential hub. Residents are only minutes from Dubai Miracle Garden and Butterfly Garden, with the Dubai Hills Mall just a short drive away. Access to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and Al Khail Road ensure a smooth connectivity to major hubs like Downtown and Business Bay in about 20 minutes. The location is also surrounded by top schools in Barsha, medical clinics, supermarkets, and community parks, positioning Arjan as a family-friendly and increasingly in-demand neighborhood. Importantly, as more infrastructure and amenities come online, demand and prices here are projected to climb steadily. The developer Iman Developers has built a reputation for boutique-style, high-quality projects. Since its inception in 2016, Iman has delivered several successful residential developments across Dubai, including Joya Verde Residences, Oxford Residences 1 and 2, and Oxford Boulevard. With thousands of units already handed over and consistently strong investor uptake, the brand has become known for combining modern architecture and smart layouts with timely delivery, giving buyers confidence in both product and long-term value. Project details. Sierra offers a mix of 1, 2 and 3-bedroom apartments with contemporary layouts. Units come with open-plan kitchens, floor-to-ceiling windows, and balconies designed to maximize light and views. Community amenities include resort-style swimming pools, landscape gardens, kids' play area, co-working lounges, and multi-purpose leisure spaces. Smart home features and premium interior finishes elevate the standard compared to many competing projects in Arjan. Apartments at Sierra start from 1.3 million dirhams, making it one of the most attractive entry points into a high-quality, in-demand community like Arjan. Payment structures are typically flexible, with phased installments during construction and a balance at handover, reducing upfront exposure for investors. From an investment perspective, Sierra by Iman ticks multiple boxes: modern design, family-focused amenities, and placement in a neighborhood with growing infrastructure and rising demand. Currently, rental yields in Arjan are ranging at about 6 to 8% annually, and capital appreciation is expected as more projects and retail spaces come online. Sierra stands out as a smart way to buy into one of Dubai's fastest emerging communities. If you want to ride the next growth wave, Windsor House in Dubai South is the play. If value and rental yields are your focus, Ashley Hills in Arjan delivers. If you want to enter into a premium community at the right price, Cove Grand in Dubai Land makes sense. If family comfort on a budget is what you're after, Albia by Nshama is hard to ignore. And if you're looking for modern living in a central, fast-rising location, Sierra by Iman offers an unbeatable starting point. I'm Hira Nazir and I thank you for watching this video. And remember, the world's wealth is moving to Dubai. Just make sure yours arrives first. Take care.